Nano Banana Pro just dropped, and yeah, it's absolutely viral everywhere. But I guess the real question is, beyond all those cool demos, how does this actually empower a real-world business? And how do we move from really cool visuals to actual usable brand assets? Welcome to our new series. We're taking Nano Banana Pro's wildest features and cutting straight to 6 real-world scenarios using X Design. Today we have episode 1, and just in time for the holiday. I guess we're tackling the biggest seasonal challenge, and that is how to turn your entire brand into a Christmas thing. And we're talking about physical stores, logos, social media, the whole package. Let's dive in. First and most importantly, we'll go to X Design. As we start creating, what I have to do is to add image. I've already uploaded my logo onto X Design and then put in the prompt. You always want to say to keep the architecture structure of your logo exactly the same, but redecorate it in a style of you like. Select Nano Banana Pro as your model, and that's how we make the rest of the design possible. Be patient with X Design's agent because it will analyze your uploaded image before it makes any further design. Once you have uploaded your material, you can see that it will appear on the chat canvas immediately. See the before and after difference? X Design is able to maintain everything of my original design intact while turning it into a Christmas thing. And you know for sure in real world scenarios, besides logo, there's a lot of other brand extensions that we can turn into Christmas themes. And let's give our brand extension a try too. I'm uploading all of it and then using the same prompt. Still Nano Banana Pro model, just hit go.
2 minutes later.
Below is what I uploaded, and then above is what X Design helped me transform into. With that prompt, everything stays intact, including all the little words and also the price and everything. And the result looks very good, right? And also remember, you can do a lot of editing in X Design too. So for instance, you can click on this poster. There's a lot of options provided. You can enhance your image or extend it if it's not what you desire. You can also crop it like I just demonstrated. If you're satisfied with the result, you can just click on the ones that you like and then choose download. I also did the same thing for my logo mockup, and you can see the results before and after right here. Remember that I mentioned that we're not going to just transforming everything in store, we're also take it to the online degree. You can actually use the same prompt to do everything you like, even for your profile photo.
This session is dedicated for social media poster creation.
When we're talking about making a poster, I want to specifically mention about in X Design, there are 2 ways that you can create your posters. First, to upload what you already have into X Design, and second, you can just tell X Design to make a poster for you. The original Neora poster that I uploaded, I actually created it in X Design. What you have to do is to upload your logo onto X Design. If you have something that you want to include in your poster, just type it onto the prompt. X Design will generate a clean layout based on what you have uploaded and extend it into a poster or any material that you like. And second method is to edit what you've already have. So for instance, you've already have an existing poster or menu. Just tell X Design to add subtle Christmas elements such as fallen snow, whatever you want, and X Design will create it for you. So that's it for today's tutorial. I just show you how to turn everything from your original design to a Christmas thing in under 5 minutes. And you can do it too with X Design. Thank you X Designers for watching this, and please stay tuned for our next upcoming tutorial.